What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day. And in light of the new iPhone 16e release, I asked Grok to create for me an ad about the iPhone 16e. I wanted to try out the limitations of the current state of AI. And then I put that script. First of all, Grok couldn't make me the ad itself. I copy and pasted the script into Kapwing, or Kapwing, as some people say, which was a nice free AI service to create an ad. I asked Grok for a 30-second script. Kapwing, I thought I pressed 30 seconds, but it ended up turning it into a 1-minute ad. So here you go. Check it out. Let me know what you think.
Upbeat music starts. Shot of the iPhone 16e spinning into view. Voiceover. Meet the iPhone 16e, Apple's latest game changer. Quick cuts. Vibrant screen. Camera zoom. Someone texting via satellite. Voiceover. Stunning display with next-level brightness. A pro-grade camera that captures every moment. Plus, stay connected anywhere with satellite messaging. Gameplay clip. Sleek design reveal. Fast swipe gestures. Voiceover. Power up with the A18 chip for insane gaming and smooth performance. All wrapped in a bold, ultra-modern design. Phone on table. Logo fades in. Voiceover. iPhone 16e innovation in your hands. Get yours now.
Subscribe for more Apple content. Peace.